Your Resmed AirSense 11 works hard every single night, and keeping it running clean is vital. Here's how to replace the filter on the AirSense 11, how often you need to do it, and the easiest way to stay stocked so you never have to think about it. Locate the filter compartment on the back of your AirSense 11 machine and pull the cover open. Take out the old filter and discard it. These filters are strictly single-use and cannot be washed or reused. Place a fresh, clean filter into the filter cover slot. The filter is flat and can be inserted with either side facing up. Snap the filter door firmly back into place. It is recommended to replace your filter every 30 days. The hardest part of filter maintenance isn't the replacement itself, it's remembering to actually buy new ones before you run out. With our subscribe and save feature, you can set up a recurring delivery on whatever schedule works for you and save money while you do it. Learn more at the link in the description box below and call our team if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.